Today we're going to be making what is called a snail on a leaf. Right, like here. On the leaf. Okay. So I'm going to be following on a book today. Okay? Right here. A snail on a leaf. That might be backwards for you guys, but then it's also it's by this famous it's Japan's greatest origami master, Akira Yoshizawa, right here. Okay, and now I'm going to be following along and showing you how it works from the book. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do the leaf now. So, first, we're gonna do a mountain fold. Just like this. Just like so, just like so. Then you're gonna unfold it, and you're going to fold this side into the middle, like this. Like a kite. And you're gonna do the same with the other side to make it look more like a kite. Now we're gonna do the same step that you did for the kite, but you're gonna do it for this top part up here. Just like this. Okay. Okay. Now you're gonna get this part and you're gonna fold backwards on itself like this. Now we're going to do 11 folds along here, just like this. And we're gonna start with this little guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can also do, if you did more than 11, if you get to the end and you need to do more than 11, that is fine. 10, 11, 12, just making it more complex, which is better. 13, 14, you might need to speed this part up. 19. Just gonna make it more complex, I guess. Then once you're done with that, it should curve over like this. Okay, so you're gonna face it like this. We've curved it, so we've curved it like this, then this, then this, all in one direction like that. But we're gonna curve it in zigzags now. So we're gonna go back along those lines, making no new folds. We're gonna fold that down a bit, and then we're gonna fold this up. And then we're going to fold this down, and then we're going to fold this up. And then we're going to keep doing that until we have got the completed zigzaggy. And then once you're done with that, it should have this zigzaggy, wavy looking right here, and it shouldn't curve over anymore. Just like that. Now, you're gonna unfold it. So you're gonna see, first you're gonna see that this part right here, this shorter, where this line folds over here, you're gonna face that towards you while you unfold. Unfold it like this, and then turn it around like this. You're gonna pinch this back part like that, and press down like this. Just like this, so this is sticking up. And then you're just gonna fold this down just like that to make this stem. Then once you turn it over, it should have this little stem right here. And this is your leaf. Now we're gonna be moving on to the snail. Okay, first step for the snail is you're gonna fold this in a mountain fold. Just like this. Then you're gonna unfold. You're gonna fold this corner to this corner in another mountain fold. Just like so. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, then there should be a point in the middle right here. You're gonna get the bottom and you're gonna fold it to the middle point, just like this. And you're gonna get the top and you're gonna fold it into the middle point. Okay, then you're gonna fold the top to the bottom. Okay, there's a very faint line. I'm gonna make this sharper right here. Should be a bit sharper now. Okay, good. So there should be this line right here already. So I'm gonna mark from this cut line to here, and I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3. On the third cut right here, I'm gonna fold against that. I'm using some measuring to do this. And then once you fold it down to here, it should look like this. So it's not fully folded all the way. Now you're gonna get this, and you're gonna fold it up to here. And while I fold this up to here, I'm gonna show you that this line right here should go a bit past this mark of this paper right here. It should go a bit past there, just like that. Then you're gonna unfold this part and this part right here. And you're gonna unfold all of this right here. And you're gonna push down on it, just like that. Just squash it down into here, like this. Then we're gonna fold it like a kite, like we did at the beginning of the leaf. And fold this part into the middle. Do the same for the other side. Just like so. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna get this line right here. There should be this line right here that's folded along here, and this folded line right here. And I'm gonna use this to unfold here, and I'm gonna do that same big squash fold right here, like that, down to there. Make sure everything's lined up behind as well, like this, like that. And then it should look like this. Okay, once you've got that, we're gonna do another kite fold. So you're gonna get this side, you're gonna fold it into the middle. Just like this. And you're gonna fold the other side into the middle. Just like this. Okay, now we're gonna move on to a bit more of harder steps. So I'm gonna get this right here. I'm gonna fold it back on itself a bit, like this. Then I'm gonna unfold that, and I'm gonna fold this part just below it a bit more forwards on itself, like this. And it should look like this, like that. Then if I push this backwards, it should fold in just like this. This is what I want it to look like right here. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this over, and I want this side to fold over to this side, just like this. Then we're gonna turn it right back over, and then this side should fold over to this side like that. And there should be 2 little legs right there. Okay, now we're gonna get this. I'm gonna open up this side a bit, and I'm gonna push inside here and fold it back on itself like this. Into this fold like this. Like this. Just like that. Now you should do that for this side, for the tail, but we're gonna fold it in a different angle to make this stick out more, like that. Now this is the snail's head right here, and this is the snail's tail, and this is the shell right here. I'm gonna, to make the shell open up and stand on the leaf, I'm gonna open it up like this at the bottom. I'm gonna make it a bit like fatter around here, and I'm gonna push this down a bit, this top part. So it takes a bit more shape up of here, just like this. Then once I've got that, I'm gonna get my leaf, place it on top, and that is your finished snail on a leaf. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Namaste. Cut. Okay.